Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript function that downloads content from multiple URLs in parallel. We'll use fetch and wrap each call inside a promise, then wait on them all using Promise.all. It is a clean, modern way to deal with parallel HTTP requests. Let's explore the challenge we're solving. Our goal is to take an array of URLs and download their contents all at once. We will wrap each fetch in a promise and use Promise.all to resolve when they are all complete. If one fails, we'll catch and log the error. Now, let's see how we can implement this. We define a function that maps each URL to a custom promise. Each fetch request is then wrapped with logic to check the response and convert it into text. If any request fails, we reject that promise immediately. Finally, we use Promise.all to gather all requests at once. We initiate multiple fetch calls concurrently using map. Each call is then wrapped in a promise that resolves with its content. Once all are complete, we get a single array with every response. It is fast and efficient, perfect for batch network operations. Here's what the output looks like for the three example URLs. Each one resolves to a JSON string from the server. If even one request had failed, we'd see a rejection in our catch block. Let's explore where you might use this technique. This approach is perfect for situations where you need to fetch multiple datasets at once. For example, a dashboard might hit several APIs in parallel to show you charts and widgets. It also improves speed and simplifies your async flow. Finally, let's recap what we've built. We now have a reusable utility to fetch multiple URLs in parallel using promises. It is efficient, scalable, and clearly separates success from failure logic. Thanks for tuning in. Check out our next tutorial for even more async mastery. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.